Alright, we are back at my favorite section of Big East Fork. Get out of the road, squirrel! Oh, I hit him! I hit him! I hit him! Get out of the road, squirrel! Oh, they're everywhere, dude. They're stupid. They just sit there and then they dart the last second. I'm sorry, I killed one. It's not my fault. Alright, welcome back to another video. It's a little bit different view for you guys. We're on a, I'm not sure what year, but we're on a Ducati 1100 Hypermotard. We're going to put some gas in it and give you guys a quick walk around, and then we're going to go hit some back roads. Huge shout out to Chris at Cool Springs Power Sports for letting me take it out for a first ride video. Well, just listen to that. Unbelievable. Competition works. Sounds phenomenal. Alright, so directly off the bat, the seating position is pretty angled downward, which feels pretty different for a naked bike, because my seat's pretty flat on the KTM. It's very, very tall. It's a lot taller than the KTM. Gee whiz, does it feel good to be sitting upright. I'm 6'4", and riding on the Gixxers and the sport bikes and all that really hurts my knees. This just feels phenomenal. Alright. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Competition Works system. Dry clutch. RNG frame sliders. More carbon. Brembos, single-sided swing arm, some sort of luggage rack system type deal, more carbon fiber. Yeah, gorgeous bike. A very interesting cap. Wow, I just hit a massive bump and this sucker just hopped over it like I didn't even feel it at all. Rolling up the windows. If that doesn't say how loud this bike is, then I don't know what does. It sounds phenomenal. Dry clutch is a little weird, but it sounds phenomenal, dude. A dry clutch is a little scary, not gonna lie. I'm kind of afraid of something getting sucked into there, like my pant leg. I got my shoelaces tucked in, that's for sure. I hate to say this, like I really truly hate to say this, but I think I like this bike better than the FC10 that I had. The FC10 has kind of like a sport bike leg position. It's kind of far back. It's nice, it's just, this is incredibly more comfortable. Alright, we made it to the twisties. Engine braking is phenomenal. Get out of the road, squirrel! Oh, I hit him! I hit him! I hit him! Let's go make sure. I mean, I may have just ran over his tail, but I definitely hit him because I felt it. Flicks like a dream, baby. I definitely didn't kill that squirrel, but I definitely ran over his tail. Oh well. Give you another quick look at the bike, because it is for sale. I may ask him if I could take it again and go clean it up for him. Cool looking bike, man. I don't know if I'm gonna have it released or not, but if you watch my S1000 video, I go through on the same road, and I'm riding this road considerably faster on this bike. Even though it is my first time on this bike, it's just incredibly confidence inspiring compared to a sport bike. Well, let's just hope nobody's coming down the road. Look at this thing, dude. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, TheGreatLaker, if you would like to see the photos of the Ducati. What an awesome bike to just go out, explore, get lost. Phenomenal. Alright, this GoPro battery is about to die, but and my other one died when I was out, so I don't know how much recording I actually did today, but huge shout out to Chris Gilliland for letting me ride his Hypermotard 1100. Go subscribe to Wingman's Garage. They have some incredible bike content and weekly podcasts, so hit them up. As always, thank you for watching my videos. Greatly appreciate all the support lately. The channel's really been blowing up as far as view counts and subscribers goes, so I greatly appreciate that. If you like this video, please leave a like, because it truly helps me out more than you would realize. And I will see you in the next one. TheGreatLaker, out.